Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're all doing great and also enjoying your festive season, and also you're enjoying my new home series as well. So if you have seen my previous video about the part 2 of my new home series, that's the design center thing. So I want to talk to you few things about it and what was upgrade we did and what all the things we have selected, what all the things we have choose for our new house, and I want to talk to you about the upgrades we did and why we took this decision about taking a new house. Everything I'm going to talk to you about it today. So before watching this video, I hope you know what to do. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon as well. Only then you will be notified for my upcoming videos. And please do watch this video till the end and give this video a big old thumbs up. And please support me. Please subscribe to my channel, please guys. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So guys, first I'll take you into the model house. I'll just give a short tour about the model house, the one which we have selected and which we have planned. So I'll directly take you guys into the kitchen area where we did a lot of upgrade in that. The upgraded kitchen. I need to say the upgraded kitchen. So yeah, the phone is in my hand. I need to have look at it because there is a video here which I want to show to you guys. So the audio of this video, I don't know, something went wrong, but you can't hear anything what I'm speaking in, but I'll do a voiceover for it. So guys, this is in kitchen area, and this is a stove, and this is a gas stove, and I need to say about this gas stove is very helpful for me because in this rental house it's an electric stove and I need to wait for it. Like when you fry anything, you need to wait for it. If it's an gas one, you no need to wait, and I hope many of you know that. And here there is a chimney as well, and this in this model house there is a chimney as well. We got an option of choosing a chimney, and we Indians want chimney guys, because we do. If you're a non-vegetarian, you might know how much we fry, like do oil things and all, right? So I needed chimney in this. So in this rental house there is no chimney, just an exhaust fan. There is nothing use for that, there is no use for it. So coming back to this video, you can see there is a chimney and a gas stove. This is an upgrade, okay? This is not like this is, if you want a basic kitchen, there will be a micro on the top and the electric gas in the bottom. So this is an upgraded kitchen, you want to say. So there is a chimney as well. This is actually an upgrade. So we need to separate, like we need to give an separate amount for it. So yeah, and you can see in that video there is an oven as well. So in this rental house, there is in almost in every house there is an oven, but in this is an upgraded version. So there in the side there is an two oven and a micro oven. So even that is also upgraded. We just did it that also. And my husband is like, I don't know what you will do in that two ovens. I need to see what you will go to do in that. But this is an upgrade guys. If this is not an upgrade version, the countertop won't be like a full extension. They'll just cut in this half. You won't get that other half. But we did full extension, so I got full lot of space in my kitchen. But if you seen in my many vlogs about my kitchen area, like it's a small space, kitchen is small, very small, and I've been using this kitchen for like 4 years now, like we shifted to here like 3 years back. So yeah, and I needed a whole lot of space in my kitchen, so this is very worth. And coming to the cabinets, this is in blue cabinets. Even I chose the color blue, and also I'll show you the design survey, what color I selected in design center at the first appointment and the next appointment. So here coming to this Highland thing. This is in Highland, whole extended Highland. Even this is a basic one. If you want a basic version, they'll cut in ink, right? They're the same, they'll cut a little and you will get a short Highland. But I wanted Highland really big. I like the plan of the model house, so I just like I wanted that whole big highland, and it costed a bit high. But yeah, if you cut in, if you just cut in a between that, it's a waste, guys, because you need to put an extra dining over there, around small dining table, but it's not worth it. So there was no space in between. It will be like a congested thing. So even that was also upgraded, and you can see there is an countertop. It's in quartz, it's not in granite. Even first I select in the model house thing, first I selected granite, and in the second appointment we just thought about it, and then we went with the quartz because I didn't like the colors or shades of the granite thing. It was like blackish and some white and black. So I went with the quartz. It will look really cool and nice, because whenever you have a party at home or something like get together function, people will sit over there and just chill, and or they will go backyard, or they will sit in the highlands, and many people can sit in that. So why to just cut it over? So even this is an upgrade. This is a little bit of upgrade thing. So yeah. So talking about the cabinets thing, I just went with a blue color, the blue down cabinets and upper cabinets. It will be like whole blue, and I thought like let me tell them like one cabinet. We can remove one cabinet and we can do a floating shelf over there. We can keep anything like a nice showpiece or anything like that, and the side we can do like a glass door thing. But and it was like in other plan thing, and I really like that other plan. So they were like, we can't do this for this plan. So my husband was like, it's okay, you can do one glass door. We can keep nice wine bottle or some glasses over there for showpiece things. But the floating shelf idea was really cool, and yeah, unfortunately everything won't happen. So yeah. And the down cabinets also is a blue color, and I selected like I planned like we Indians have a lot of oily food to cook. So highland I just selected a white quartz, and kitchen area is like a grayish kind color, grayish, even that is in quartz as well. First we selected two is a granite, but we just planned everything, and second appointment we chose everything correct, perfectly, sorry guys, perfectly. And I'll post somewhere here about which quartz and this thing. So the one house I'm showing here is, this is a model house. So this is a model house, and the elevation, you can see the front elevation, the like a rectangular shape, something else. It's like we had an elevation A, elevation B, and elevation DC. So if you choose elevation DC, it will cost a little more. If elevation A and B something, no, okay, like I don't remember. But we went with the elevation B and elevation A, sorry, elevation A, and we'll get a nice spacious patio. And you can see in this picture how spacious the patio looks. And backyard also, if in backyard if you see there is a covered patio like a shed thing, right, it will cost a little bit higher, but we just cancelled it. We are not doing that covered patio thing, we are just doing the concrete one. And then in future we can plan anything, we can do some DIYs. So in that mentality my husband just cancelled the covered patio. So it for now in our plan it's just a concrete. Behind backside of the house is just a concrete for now. Coming to the outdoor of the house, color is this is a grayish kind, like it's a cool nice color, and I really like this color. And there was a reddish color as well and a white color, but white color was already booked, so I didn't want to go as like a model house. Even the model house was like red, so I thought let it be this color. So we went with this color. It's an elevation A color, so you can see the body is. And coming to the stone, so the stone is like a side of the garage, and near the patio there is a side wall thing, right? Even there is a stone. So here this is a stone we have selected, And yeah, it's not an cool stone, it's not nothing like it would be nice or matching, but it's like bit matching as well. So as I told in the first appointment, we choose the blue color cabinet, and side there is a grayish, I guess brown or gray, I don't know, brown I guess. So yeah, we choose two cabinets. My husband wanted, he selected brown and I selected blue. So, and this is a countertop, and it's like I don't know if I can't see the name of that, black granite, it's an granite countertop, and this is a jasmine white, and it was like a cool tone in that something. It's like it was in a group 4. If you are selecting group 1 or A, if you go higher it would cost more. If you go downwards it would be cost a little less. So even this was an first appointment selection, but we cancelled it, but we selected a blue cabinet. I wanted blue cabinet because it was like a nice, this house is like an open house concept, so there is a lot of windows over there. If I forgot to tell about the kitchen area. If you've seen in my kitchen area, there are 2 windows in near the gas, like gas, right? So if you go for the basic kitchen, there would be one window over there, but we upgraded the kitchen area, so I got 2 windows. And I want natural light. I love natural light, guys, because in this house you can see there is no that good natural light, but I wanted like a good natural light in my new house. So it's like full. There are 2 in near the hall, there are 2 or 3 big windows. So yeah, we kept it like that. I don't know what upgrade my husband did for that window, but yeah, I need to check and I'll let you know, guys. Coming to the handles, you can see there's a gold handle, right? First I went with that because it was looking really attractive for the blue cabinets, and she said something, yes, I don't know what the rate she has said, but it was really less. And at the end we just cancelled the handles. In future we can only fix this thing handles, right? So it's not a big deal. So which we are not able to change in future, we just did it now, and which we are able to do it, so it left it like that. So yeah, this is an handle section, and I just went with the gold color, but it got cancelled as well. You can see here this is stairs. This is for the second floor, the room section, and the side you can see the railing section, right? That would cost a whole lot of money, and we didn't go with that metal railing. So here is another railing. This is a railing section. If you have seen in my design center appointment, she was talking about the railers. I don't know why they cost so much, but this is a wood stain and that is a black stain. Then wood, and then next to it is in stain, just they painted it, but I don't know why they are costing so much for the railings. But then my husband decided not to go with the metal railing, just with this wooden railing, and the white color spindles you can only change it in future. So there are so many DIYs coming after this new house thing. Even we are doing some DIYs for our house. So yeah, keep on watching my videos. I'll be keeping you guys everything about it updated. So coming to the indoor color, I just went to the white, full white, because if it's an upgraded version, there isn't like a grayish, not grayish, sorry, gray, and like this color, my house color, like a creamish white, creamish color. But I didn't want her to do anything like that. It was an upgrade as well, but we went with a full white, and once again in future we can only change, right? And we can do something creative in the wall, anything like that. So just went with a white color for now, and I don't know, we are planning few things what to do inside our house and all. Once we have shifted for our new house, we need to plan accordingly. So the reason why we invested on a new house is it's a good investment, right? Like taking a new house in in the US and in India it's a whole lot of difference. So and we decided both, we weren't planning anything, we are not planning to settle here, or we are not planning anything like a green card or citizenship, nothing. No, we are not planning anything about it. We are just going the flow. How many years we are here, we are moving, pushing ahead. And we invested in a new house. Is like, you can see already, I already told that we upgraded a lot of things in kitchen. So if it's like a new nice kitchen, right? And in future if we sell this house, it's a good deal as well. Good deal we'll get a good this thing as well. I'm not able to share how much rate we are going to sell, and how much rate it cost. And I'm not going to share anything, guys, because I'm sorry, I'm not able to share everything about it here. So I hope you understand. So yeah, it's a great investment and we decided it, and even our family is okay. I hope so they are okay with that. And once again, we are not planning to settle here, or we are not planning to do anything much. How many years we are here, we are spending it really good. And yeah, guys, the good thing is the foundation is done and they have started framing now. I guess because last weekend when we go, they have bought all our framing items, the wood framing things. There are a lot of house going on over there. They're coming in line. So we are on the line now, and I guess in this week they have already started. We need to go this weekend, and every weekend we are going. And yeah, there is so much excitement for us. Hopefully they will be done by this I guess January, because there are so many houses going on. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you are enjoying my new home series. If you like it, please give this video a big whole thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well. Only then you will be notified for my upcoming videos. And yeah, share with your family and friends. Make me hit 2k, 1k. I'm not at 1k also. Please help me to reach 1k, guys, please. So yeah, I'll be catching you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.